Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Despite all of its medicinal properties, apple cider vinegar has gained more attention in recent years because of its weight loss benefits. There's even scientific research that supports the fact that apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. In one study, researchers noted that after taking apple cider vinegar diluted in water before lunch and dinner, participants lost an average of 2 pounds in a month. In addition to this decrease in body weight, there was also a reduction in abdominal fat, waist circumference, and triglyceride levels in their blood. This is due to the fact that our day-to-day foods cause insulin spikes and blood sugar levels. When you eat a lot of carbohydrates, its fast digestion causes your blood sugar levels to rise. Then your body responds by releasing insulin, causing these levels to drop rapidly. These sudden variations can cause lethargy and hunger, which encourages us to eat more. In the long run, our body may not be able to effectively lower our blood sugar levels, which can cause type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar not only improves the blood sugar absorption ability of our liver and muscles, but also improves our cells' sensitivity to insulin. It's also rich in acetic acid, which naturally blocks the absorption of starches and sugar. And, as if that weren't enough, apple cider vinegar also controls your appetite. Studies suggest that vinegar is able to suppress the centers in our brain that controls our appetite, which can lead to a reduced food intake. As you can see, apple cider vinegar can be a great ally for anyone who wishes to lose weight, as long as it's being paired with a balanced diet. A good way to use vinegar and obtain these benefits is to consume it before meals. It's recommended that you dilute 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before each main meal. Don't ever take more than 3 tablespoons a day. Excess vinegar can attack the lining of our stomach, causing irritation, burning sensations, or even gastric problems. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.